The last example goes one extra step from what we have already done. This entire time, we've been just trying to show that the triangles are congruent. Well, in this one, we're trying to show that angles are congruent. But in order to show that the angles are congruent, we first need to show that the triangles are congruent. So we're going to do the same thing that we've done in the past examples, except we'll go one step further at the end. So now we need to determine whether we're going to use side, 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 or side, angle, side in order to prove this triangle. Right now, I can see that I have two sides in one triangle congruent to two sides in another triangle. The easiest method would be to use side, 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 because I know the side that goes to both triangles hasn't been used yet. So we're going to say that side LN is congruent to LN by the reflexive property again. Now that we have all three sides in one, congruent to all three sides in another, we're going to say triangle LNM is congruent to triangle. I need to be a little careful because I need to make sure these match up. So if I go LNM, I want to go LNP by side, side, side. That was the method that we showed. And now that I know that all of my sides are congruent and the triangles are congruent, we should be able to say that their corresponding parts are congruent. So this is where you're going to use or list out what you're trying to prove, which in this case were your angles. We're going to say angle LNM is congruent to angle LNP. And our reasoning is going to be an acronym that looks like this. And it stands for corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. And that's going to be your proof.